Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my vlog. It's a weekend vlog and I can't wait to spend my whole weekend with you guys. It's Friday evening now. I was planning to take this vlog to start shooting the vlog early in the morning before I leave for work, but my morning started on a bad note. I couldn't vlog, and during the day I wasn't feeling good, so I decided to pick up the camera now because I'm all dressed up and I feel better. You know, when I dress up and put on makeup, it does something to my soul, it does something to my spirit. So yes, I feel so much better, and I thought, why not pick up the camera before you leave the house, because I'm going out with the ladies. We have a ladies night out. Our colleague Grace, the Chinese lady, she decided to take us out and show us around one of the bars. We're going to one of the bars here in Zhoushan. I've never been to a club in Zhoushan. I've never been to a bar in Zhoushan. It's my first time today and I can't wait to see how it looks like. I'm about to leave now. I'm just gonna put on my shoes, take my handbag and go out with the ladies. So yeah, I'm going out with Mel, Neve and Grace. Grace is the Chinese lady. Mel and Neve are my girlfriends. I'm sure you guys met them already on my last vlog. If you haven't watched that vlog, please go watch it, and don't forget to like this one and subscribe. See you guys later.
Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, know they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top.
Hey loves, I woke up really late. I was so tired. I want to start packing. I am going on another staycation. We have a 5 days holiday, but for me it's 3 days holiday because I don't count weekend days, but in China they do. They count those days. We have a holiday and I'm about to pack. Guys, even though I go somewhere for like one night, I will still pack like a lot of things just in case I go out. I need to have different outfits. But another thing that I want to pack is some of my sunglasses, because I want to shoot a video. I'm not sure if that video will come out after this one or before, but I am gonna shoot a sunglass haul, or maybe it's gonna be part of this vlog. It depends. And another thing that I have to do today is that I have a therapy session later today. My therapist gave me a homework and I didn't do my homework, guys. So I'm thinking I'll do it inside the DD when I'm on my way to the Airbnb, or I'll do it after packing. Depends if I have time. But my therapy session is at 2 o'clock. Let me go eat, guys. I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna eat yesterday's leftovers. This is my new cover, guys. I got this cover on Taobao. I like this white here, and I also like the fact that it's green because my phone is green, but it doesn't fit. My phone doesn't fit, guys. I don't know, this thing is so tight. So my phone is green, and I got this one to match the phone, obviously, but it doesn't fit. It only fits like on the other side, like it can fit here and here and here, but the last part won't go in. I don't to do, and I really like this pouch. Really are you what I'm talking about? I'm a fool, guys. I didn't see that the pouch has this thing that I'm supposed to open. Which fullness be this now? I'm a fool. Anto. Yeah. Hey, bo. Yo, guys. Yo. I didn't know how to do it. And I didn't even do it properly. Let me do it again. This side, it's sweet, this thing. So I don't want my phone to break. Atong. Dilo tsa makgowa, guys. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah. Just like that. My phone is in the pouch. Ooh, how cute is this?
Your heart.
One thing about me, I'm super clumsy.
Don't ever let nobody be the reason.
I'm always dropping or spilling things
Stop caring about it.
all the time.
Don't let your head.
I'm on my way to the Airbnb.
Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard. But sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo.
Let's go to the Airbnb. It's so beautiful, guys. It's a dream. I'm gonna show you around. But it's really nice. I like Airbnbs. They're so cute. So this house is like a 2-bedroom house. I only realized after booking it that it's a 2-bedroom house. This is the window, and this is the 2nd bedroom, I guess, because this one is small. Look at this, guys. This is so cute. I am loving this. Look at this fiddle leaf plant. It's so cute. I can't wait to create content here. Look at this little corner. Guys, it's so beautiful. It has the best view of the ocean. Unfortunately, the water is brown, but it's beautiful either way. Like, it's really nice. I can't wait to see the night view. This is the door, and this is our bags, and this is the kitchen. The kitchen is really nice if you want to cook. And this side is the 2nd bedroom. Guys, can you see this? It's really nice. The bed is nice and huge. Oh, the wall art is beautiful. I don't know why they call this plant, but I'm loving it. And this side, you can chill here and have some drinks with babe. Oh, look at this baby here, so cute. And look at this building, guys. Sickening. It is beautiful. And this is the bathroom. This side of the bedroom, they have a cute fridge. I will try to do a nice B-roll. The balcony. This little setup here, it's everything. I need to work on this big tummy. This tummy must fall. Hey guys, the week is done, honey. The week is done. I just got tired of wearing the wig, so after my therapy session I took it off.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of mind.
I feel like I've been neglecting you guys for a while, especially today, because I didn't really say anything to you guys. I didn't talk to you guys. I was busy taking some Instagram content. Yeah, so if you're not following me on Instagram, you better follow me on Instagram so that you can see some nice reels, some nice pictures. So yeah, just please follow me, please follow me. Anyway, wearing this white two-piece Mamipi. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I love wearing sunglasses. So I thought, why not do a sunglass try on haul here on YouTube. Well, I'm a chipster. I like buying cheap things. I don't like expensive things. Well, I like them, but I don't like spending money, like a lot of money. So I usually just buy my no-name glasses, and yeah, so I got this ones. I've never worn them before.
Oh, guys, this is nice. This is giving me summer. This is giving me spring also. These ones are matching my white crop top. Ah, my god, they are so cute. They are giving summer. They are giving Bali. They are giving Thailand. They are giving Malaysia. They are giving travel, babe. Go to Dubai. Oh, I love them. And I also like the fact that they are big. Like, because I have another pair, I'll put it on now. They are like almost the same shape, just that this one have like a soft edge. The other one, they're really small. So I like the fact that this is big. It's really nice. It's suitable for my big face. I love it. I love it. Ooh, this one, I have them on my Instagram. I wore this to Shanghai. Guys, look at this. Ooh. 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 Oh my god, this is everything, guys. This is giving. This is giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving class. It's giving elegant lady. It's giving summer. It's giving rich money. It's giving everything. I love them. And I love the soft blue. I don't know if you guys can see. Like, there's like, it's blue and blackish, but it's more on the blue. And it's really nice. It's so, oh, can I just go to Dubai, guys? Yo, I forgot what they call these ones, but I love them. And I'm happy that I got them in black. I think I'm running out of space. I also like this one. I think this one really looks nice with like nice bob, nice curly bob. It's a nice, edgy, playful. What do you guys think? I think they look very nice. I think they look really, really nice. I love them. They look so cute. Wearing this one today for my Instagram content. I like them. Look at this design here. It's really cute. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. I also have them in black. So cute. This one's are also giving everything, honey. I like the fact that the glass is a little bit brownish, orangish, so it's really nice on the black. It's really, really nice. I love it. I'm here for it. Which has like the orangey, brownie glass. It's really cute. Also, it's giving everything. It's giving everything supposed to give. I like it. I love them. I love them. I really, really love them. What do you think? black sunglasses, guys. Big black sunglasses for us fat ladies, big face ladies. Oh my god. Oh, you can never go wrong. You can never go wrong. I love it here. I love it. They're giving me rich honey, babe. I got them when I first came to China in 2019, and I don't know why I study about it so often, but they are giving. Can you see? They are black here, they are brown down here. It's giving, like they're nice. I love them. I think I'm gonna wear them more now in summer. What I like is this one. It's also big. It's for us with big faces. Let's see. Say what? Repeats. What are you saying, my sister? This is nice. Abegi. This is nice. This is nice. It's dramatic, but it's nice. I love it. Patricia got me the same pair of glasses. I think it was last year on my birthday. Oh, no, it wasn't even on my birthday. She got me this pair. These ones are more dramatic because the glass is a mirror, and yeah, Hubizi. But they are matching with my outfit. They are giving. I'm feeling myself.
Thank you for watching my sandals try on haul. I will see you guys later. I'm running out of space, so I'll try to change the SD card and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Let me finish packing, guys. Bye for now. Don't go anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below.
Love interrupted by tragedy. Lost in the drought of nightfall. Running in search of the remedy.
I'm really happy with the progress that I made. The main thing was to remove the groceries from these two cupboards, and I did that, and I put everything in here, and I removed my microwave from this corner and I put it on top of the fridge. I used to have the microwave here and the air fryer on top of the microwave, and the kettle was also on top of the microwave. This was here, but I switched them around and I think I like it, guys.
Was stolen, much still abides, and I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on, she's drifting away from me. But did the ocean breeze specify you? Did the palm trees sanctify you? I bet the ocean breeze did advise you that you'll never find you on the run from yourself.
I'm drinking chamomile tea. It's my fave. It calms me down. It also helps with sleeping. So because I'll be going to bed very soon, maybe in an hour's time, I made this. I think I'm gonna close the vlog here for today.